pregame press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Franco Atienza, and our best player of the game, Shawnee Winston. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, you mentioned that it was difficult to beat the Beermen twice in a row, and now that you're halfway there, how important was it for the locals to see Shawnee Winston taking charge and coming up with import-like numbers in a do-or-die game?
Yeah, thank you. Well, first of all, we'd like to offer this game to God this win and credit to the other team. Yeah, so we forced a do-or-die, a sudden death on Sunday, but whenever you go that sudden death on the last game of whatever series you play, wala na yung mga stats, wala na yung mga previews. The burden of, everything is out of the window. So it's just one game. For today, as good as Shawnee played, well, he played stellar. He was in control. He was making his shots. He was defending everything. But we have to give credit to all of them, to everyone. Especially we had our bigs early fall trouble. Mahirap talagang pigilan si Junmar at saka, well, you have Anusiken, you have those other guys. If we go up with them one-to-one, we have no chance. We're just glad that we were able to defend them as a team and execute as a team also. So probably, well, that's the only formula for us. We cannot go against them head-to-head. Kailangan team defense and team offense. And it's nice that in spite of the challenge, our import had early foul trouble. And then, going back to the end game na wala pa rin siya last 3 minutes, the locals stepped up. Everyone stepped up. Guys from the bench responded. Whenever you have that, it means that the team and the system is working for us.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Now, with 4 games in, what other improvements are you seeing that are needed to be made to ensure that you close out in Game 5?
Well, continue on what we did well, controlling their bigs. Of course, their number one threat. At the same time, yung mga shooters nila. And battling it off on the rebounds. Just making ourselves have a chance to go, wag magpaiwan. Just stay with them. And some way, somehow, be able to steal it towards the end game. Again, ano na lang yun, last game to ng series. For sure, they are on a somehow they're mas magiging sharp sila going to that game, but it's just one game, so it's all the stats, all the adjustments would be there on that one game, and we just have to play the same energy, the same sharpness, the same togetherness that we played today.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Now, Shawnee, you guys were down 2 games. How does it feel like to win the next 2, knowing that you now have the possibility of fulfilling a reverse sweep in the next game?
It feels really good, especially going down 0-2, and especially to San Miguel. They're such a strong team. So pushing it to Game 5 is definitely what we wanted to do from the beginning. And I feel like we all came out today and played as a team and executed really well.
Shawnee, looking at the team today, you guys erupted with a 37-point third quarter. But what was it in particular that helped you lead the team in terms of scoring?
Well, I mean, Alec had 8 assists. I had 5 assists. Justin had 4 assists. And we're all pretty good scorers, and us sharing the ball like that is something special. So we were just really sharing the ball and showing love to each one of our players.